So here I have two HTML web pages that are part of a Dreamweaver site that I created. Page 1 and page 2. We're going to use CSS to add some formatting to these pages. So first of all, let's create a new CSS document. Go to File, New, and choose CSS. If you know CSS code, you can type it in here to create your formatting styles. But we'll leave it blank for now because we're going to use Dreamweaver. Instead, I'll just save it and call it styles.css. Click Save. And now let's go back to page 1 and add some formatting. So go down to the Properties panel and click on Page Properties. Make sure you're on the tab that says Appearance CSS, and we'll change the background color and the text color. Click OK. So now we've changed the style of page 1, but notice that page 2 is still black and white. The reason is that Dreamweaver has automatically added some CSS code to page 1. This line here sets the text color, and this line sets the background color. These are called styles. Over on the right, there's a tab that says CSS Designer. And notice that those two styles are also listed here. And what we want to do is use these styles for all the pages on our website. Now, we could manually change them on each page, or we could use what's called an external style sheet. We've already created one, styles.css. So now we need to do two things. Make sure that page 1 is selected. Then go over here to the CSS Designer panel, and where it says Sources, click the plus icon. From here you could create a new style sheet, but we want to attach the one that we already created. So choose Attach Existing CSS File. Click Browse to find the style sheet we created, and then click OK. Click OK again. And styles.css appears on the list of sources. Now let's go to page 2 and do the same thing. So at this point, the styles we need are inside the page1.html document. But we want to move them into styles.css. To do that, select page 1 and then make sure that styles.css is visible under sources. Next, go to where it says selectors, and you should see your styles under there. If you don't, go up and click on style to select it, and then you should see your styles. Next, drag and drop your styles from here to styles.css. Click and drag. Notice that the styles have now disappeared from our page 1 code. But if we go to styles.css, there they are. We've just attached the styles.css style sheet to both pages. So now if we click on page 2 has the exact same formatting as page 1. So now if I change something inside this style sheet, it changes the formatting on all the pages that are linked to it.